You Can Bake the Difference by Christopher Mendoza. Hey, mister, I made this cake myself. Miss Thorne, this cake won't do. Seriously. Is that so, Smarty Pants? It's a flour cake. If you insist on this flour cake, what flavor is this? Vanilla, with lots of luck. I thought I was gonna make a rainbow cake all by myself. I'll make it quickly. Wah, wah. Please stand by. The End. Made by Chris M.